My name's Dr. Niall O'Dowd. I'm the founder and CEO of Phase3D. Phase3D is a technology company. We've been developing inspection methods for metal additive manufacturing. Metal additive manufacturing is in a pivotal phase right now. Companies like SpaceX, Toyota, NASA, the Air Force, they're all using additive manufacturing to produce parts at scale for production critical components. But there is a capability gap. No one is able to qualify or certify part quality in a way that makes sense for the economics of additive manufacturing, except us. We've developed Fringe inspection. It attaches to metal 3D printers, measures parts as they're being printed, and is able to qualify and certify part quality in real time. Leading the team at Phase3D has been really fulfilling. We've been moving from these prototyping facilities that are developing new materials all the way to production facilities that are printing parts for aerospace and the space industry. Even though Phase3D is a relatively young company, we're the only company in the industry that's developing competitive metrology level systems for quality control on metal additive manufacturing.